what is up? It's your girl Chelly May, and I am here with an unboxing video of my freaking hair in my mouth. There we go. Of my new ring light that I just got. That's why I like the lighting on this sucks. Ooh. Yeah, it still sucks. Whatever. But I'm currently opening it. Here we go. Let me flip this bad boy around. Okay, I can't do that. Hold on. Okay, avoid all the mess, and the dog toys. That's the little plastic thing it came out of. The stand is here. Came with this awesome freaking case that I get to carry it around in. Here is the actual ring and the box of goodies that we have. So it has a remote, adapter, plug thing, iPad dock thing here, iPhone dock. I don't know which one I'll be using for my videos, but probably will be my iPad. A whole bunch of a little picture thing here. I don't know what this is. We're about to figure this out and put this all together. It's supposed to be so litty. Okay, so this one is so bright compared to my old one. Like, whoa. I want to show you my living room and how bright it is. And this is just on the setting that it came on. So this is with it on. This is with it off. That is crazy. I am definitely going to be playing with the settings. But so far, ooh, we in there. It's so cute. Alright, y'all. So I am now sitting in front of the ring light. And I can give you like the specs of it. It is the Pixel R45C ring light. I got it off Amazon. I will have the link in the bottom. The setup is really freaking easy. This light is so bright, and I can tell because my glasses are filthy. I can just see all the dirt on them. So I'm going to take those off because it's super distracting. And it also comes with this awesome remote control. I do need to read the instruction manual because I am not light savvy and how like all of the lighting and all that cool stuff works and what everything means. So I do definitely need to do some research and figure out. It's so bright, you can't even see. There we go. This whole instruction manual here and what everything means. And I am currently like playing with it, as you can see, just adjusting the light. Wow, it's very, very bright to look into. So I took it to 24, taking it back up to 53, dropped down to 46. Just reading the numbers off here. So yeah, it's a whole little percentage thing. So this is what it all looks like. Like I said, everything was super easy to set up. I'm super happy with this thing. It's so damn sturdy. I mean, as you can see, it really lights up the entire room, your entire space that you're going to be using it in. Makes the video light look better. So if I like turn this off, you can definitely see, like, even with it being off, there's still a light glow around it because it is powered on. So that's just turning it off with the remote and then turning it back on. Boom. Lights a poppin'. So I'm actually going to change, put some powder on my face, put some earrings in, and record a video on this thing. So, oh, and I also need to let my iPad charge because it is at 7%. So, see y'all in about like 5 minutes. Actually, like 30. So my iPad can charge consistently, and I can touch up this hair, get it back to popping. All right, because this is what we'll be talking about. All right. See y'all till next time. Remember to like, share, subscribe.